Good morning. We will start session 3 on chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So till now we understood what are coefficients, what are terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial. We also understood to add these unlike and like terms. So in today's session we will understand something, multiplication of a monomial by a monomial. So we'll start with an exercise. First one, find the product of the following pair of monomials. So they have given us some pair, that is in first main it is 4 and 7p. So it is 4 into 7p. What do you write? 7 fours is 28p. Second one, minus 4p into 7p. 7 fours are minus 28. p one time, p two times. So we'll write p square. Third one, minus 4p into 7p cube. We will first multiply the numbers with the sign and then we'll check with the variables. 7 fours are minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. p one time, p two time, p square cube. Fourth one, 4p cube into minus 3p. You will again study about these things and exponents, children, about how the powers are actually what will happen with that. 4 threes are minus 12, p 3 times, p 1 time, it is p totally 4 times. Fifth one, 4p into 0, any number when you multiply by 0, the answer is 0. So quite simple it is. Now the next one we have, find the area of the rectangle. They have given us the dimensions as length and breadth. So what we have to do? Just multiply them and write the answer. Find the areas of the rectangle in the following pair of monomial as their length and breadth are respectively given. So in second way, area is equal to length into breadth. So at once we will write here. So first one, area is equal to p into q, that is equal to pq. Second one, area is equal to 10m. You will write a question here, children, first of all. This is with the solution what I am starting with. 10m into 5n, 10 5s is 50 mn. Third one, area is equal to 20x square into 5y square. 2 5s is 10, so into 0, 100x square y square. Fourth one, area is equal to 4x into 3x square. 4 3s are 12, x 2 times, x 1 time, x 3 times. Fifth one, area is equal to 3mn into 4np. So 3 fours are 12m n square because n 2 times and p. So that's your answer. Quite simple. Now next is a tabular column. Whole tabular column is your homework. I'll just explain what we do here. See here, it's a first monomial and a second monomial given. So when you multiply 2 2s, you get 4. That is 4x square. 2x into 5y you will multiply. So 2 5s is minus 10xy. That means you multiply each monomial with all these terms. Then second one with all these terms. Third one with all these terms. And fourth one with these terms. Product of those two has to be done. So I will mark third week for homework. Same, you will draw the tabular column and do it. It will give you a very good practice of multiplication of monomial by monomial with sign and with the powers. We'll quickly start with the next one. I hope you have understood what you have to do. You have to just multiply them whatever given. First one with the first one with second, first one with third, first one with fourth, again second one with first, with that respect. Fourth main, find the volume of the rectangular boxes. Now, volume is given by length into breadth into height. So, first one, volume is equal to 5a. See here, this is one's formula I will write. After that, after writing first one, you will write the question. That is 5a comma 3a square, 7a raised to 4. 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to 4. So, you have to multiply this and you have to write this. I mean, now 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5 is 105. A how many times, children? 4 times, 2 times, 6 times, 7 times. A raised to 7. Next one. Volume we will write it as 2p into 4p into 8r. So 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64. Now here p is 2 times. Oh sorry, this is q, right? Yeah. So it is 64 p q r. Third one. Volume is equal to xy into 2x square y into 2x y square. So 2 2s are 4. So it is 4. X how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. X 4 times. Y 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. Volume is equal to A into 2B into 3C. So this is 6ABC. Similarly, we have the last one. I will mark again here 2 sums for homework here, which you can do it. At least it will be a practice for you. Fifth main I am marking 2 homework here. Fifth main, third one I will mark for homework, and I will mark fourth one for homework. Okay, remaining we'll do it here. Fifth main, first one, find the product they have given. xy into yz into zx. X how many times? 1 time, 2 times. X square. Y 2 times. Z 2 times. Answer. Second one, A into minus A square into, so it is minus A square already given here, just okay, into A cube. Now here you see what will happen. Now A how many times? 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This A is minus A whole square. A negative number is raised to even power. So what will happen? Minus and minus should happen plus actually. But in this case, already it is minus A square. It is not minus whole raised to square, but it is in this manner. So what we will do, we will take only whatever they have given it as it is. Minus it is given. So we can write this as, or we can understand this sum. See, usually you will get confused, right? Now minus A whole cube if I write and minus A whole square if I write. Minus 3 times, so it is minus. Minus 2 times, so it is plus. But here the sum is minus 1A square. Let us assume it like this. So what will be the final answer? 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus A raised to 6. That will be the answer. Okay. Then first one I have done, second one, third and fourth one I have given you as a homework. Fifth one, M into minus Mn into MNP. So M 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Minus I will write in common. M raised to 3. N 2 times N square. Very simple. So yes, we conclude today's session because we usually complete one session in one exercise. So I have given you all one complete tabular column for homework and another 2 sums for homework which you have to do. Along with that, also practice worked examples.